My name is Chef Richland. I'm at Little Havana restaurant, and today I'm doing chorizo with avocado. And these are my ingredients here. I have eggs, I have some red onion chopped, then chorizo, tomato, then coriander for garnishing. Then the bread itself is, you can have it as a breakfast or as a brunch in between lunch and breakfast, whatever you choose it or however you choose it. So I'll start by doing my avocado sauce. Open the avocado. I pick the avocado up. Done. I have to mash it a little bit. I put in little red onion, tomatoes. Then I give it a very good stir. Exactly what I need. Put in a little bit of lemon juice. Then season, which is salt. I'm done with the avocado sauce. So I get a very good size portion of bread. I'm moving to the bread. I have to toast it a little bit with some oil. As I'm toasting it, I'll try to put my chorizo on the fire to grill it a little bit. So I'll grill the chorizo. For 1 or 2 minutes, it's okay. So I'll just put one egg on the grill as well. A little salt on the egg to do. Since it's ready, take my bread down in a plate here. Then the avocado sauce, which is very, very important, very, very good portion. We do. You nicely spread it all over on top of the bread. You pick the chorizo. Mind you, if you don't like pork, you can change the chorizo to anything of your choice. Then the egg, which is not too well done, on the side of it. I have my coriander here to garnish it. Then I put the coriander here. This is what I call avocado chorizo.